rainbow. Sheesh. If I can get it in the picture or not. I'm on my way home from town, and there was a really pretty rainbow in Stoutsville, and I come home and there's a pretty rainbow out my way, but I'm not being able to get it in the picture. I might be able to after I get over this hill. This is a busy road for being a back road. When we first moved out here 40 some odd years ago, there was hardly any traffic on this road, and now you cannot come home without there being traffic on the road. I don't know what happened to the rainbow. Oh, I see it. It moved on me. Oh no. I wish I could get in the. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I got it. I don't know if you can see it or not. But isn't that pretty? Isn't that so pretty? I'm gonna drive down the road a minute. Isn't that? Can you see it? Oh, let me put this thing up. Okay. It's double rainbow. Isn't that pretty? There's nobody behind me beeping, telling me get out of the way. So there you go. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I love rainbows. And I'm a rainbow person. And that is really nice. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. I love you all. Have a good day. Bye.